Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing good. So in today's video I'm going to talk about networking. Okay, so let's start with an example. Look at this picture. We have wonderful people. Looks like they are having their first meeting. Okay, so the guy in the middle is wondering how can he talk to the girl, because he still don't know her name. So he goes like, hello girl. Okay, then the girl responds back with her name. Now the two-way communication is established. So what is two-way communication? The two-way communication is like he can communicate to her, she can communicate back without any issues. So that is two-way communication. So what are all the key points we need to consider from this example? Okay, one is language. They are using English. What is the communication medium? That is air. What is the environment? That is room. Now let's talk about Barbie's mother. For some reason, she wants to block the communication between them. So what she does, she directly goes to him and he informs like, don't talk to my daughter. That's it. The communication is blocked. Okay. It is that simple in the real world. So now just remember all these scenarios, what is happening here, how the guy is talking to her and how the mother wants to block the communication. Okay, now let's talk about real world example. See, we have two computers here connected using LAN cable. So of course the communication will be established. We will be able to communicate each other. Okay, the files can be transferred between them. So what are all the key points we need to take it from this example for the two-way communication? So language, of course, it is a protocol for computers. Okay, what is the communication medium? That is a wired connection, which is LAN. Okay, what is the environment? It is a DC, or it can be office, or it can be your home. Doesn't matter really. Okay, now let's go to next example. In this example, we have three computers. So how can we achieve the communication? We need to use the switch. Okay, switch will be able to broadcast the traffic or forward the traffic between the computers. Okay, now let's go to next example. So in this example, you have two rooms. Each room has its own network. For example, a switch and two computers connected to each other. So now you want to establish a connection. How you can do that? You need a gateway. Now consider this router as a gateway. Okay, it acts as a gateway. For example, in your house you want to go to next room. So what you'll do, you will get up and open the door and go to the next room. Similarly, consider this router as a gateway, a door between these two rooms. Okay, what are all the key points here? So of course you need an identity for the computers. So that is IP address. Protocol to talk to each other, that is routing. Since you are using router, it is called routing protocol. Of course switch has switching protocol. We will talk about it in our upcoming videos. Okay, now I just want to keep it simple. Now let's talk about next example. Remember how Barbie's mother blocked the communication between them, right? So now the same way you want to block the communication or control the communication between the computer 1 and computer 3. So which device can do that? That is firewall. So firewall will be able to inspect each and every traffic that is comes in and out of the device. Okay, so now you can simply write a rule like block whatever the communication or any particular communication coming from computer 1 to computer 3 and vice versa, of course. So that is the firewall's function. So of course firewall has so many functions, but if you want to understand the basic function, so that is it. So that's all. I just wanted to discuss with you all about networking in very simple words. In future I will be uploading more videos about various protocols such as layer 2 and layer 3, and I'll also talk about firewalls, and I'll also put videos how to set up your lab and how to achieve something like the one you are seeing on the screen. So thank you very much for watching. Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and keep supporting. Thank you.